Meaning of hat.
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 Hat. The word hat refers to a head covering that is worn for protection from the sun or cold weather, as a fashion accessory, or as part of a uniform or costume. Hats can be made from various materials, including wool, fur, straw, and felt. They come in different styles such as fedoras, sombreros, baseball caps, and beanies, among others. Hats have been worn by people for centuries and have become a symbol of style, social status, and cultural identity. Overall, hats serve both practical and aesthetic purposes in various aspects of life.